Welcome back to Welding with Grandad. I'm just getting set up for these 3 welders to compare with the CO2, and then we'll move on to argon CO2 mixtures. Then I had somebody pop up to see if I could weld a plug into this radiator. It's quite thin, so I pulled out HZXVOGEN, whatever they call it. I think it's a hitbox range. It's a little AC DC. So I've hooked the foot pedal up. What's nice about it is you can control the current from that control on the foot pedal. So if you want to set a maximum, you can do it from here and then turn it down. So what you do is, if you're scared of blowing a hole, you could set, say, somewhere close to 40 amps, and you can't exceed that. So this machine goes as low as 5, which is quite nice. We're on AC. I might go pulse. I'll see how it goes. I haven't used this for pulse yet, so I'll see how it goes anyway. I'll see if I can film some footage. I've got my wife here. Number one, the granddaughter's not here till tomorrow, and we'll see if we can film the AC arc off this HZXVOGEN. Catch you later. Right, keep going. Eyes. Hey YouTube, welcome back. This is the end of the job. I took it off pulse in the end. It just wasn't working with aluminium, so probably went up to 50 or 60 amps. The camera woman, the boss, pressed the wrong button, so we did another little run. It's a lovely machine, by the way. So a bit difficult.